Today we are doing my nail and I'm trying out this like double camera angle and we're trying a lot of new things today. It's a new nail polish brand called Canni, and then we are also going to be using my airbrush kit, currently airbrushed, and then I also have a bunch of new goodies from Maniology. I did buy these myself. First thing I have to do is remove my nail polish.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's way later. I want to show you guys like my actual nails. I do have this one. I'm gonna call it a tip. I mean, it is like the whole nail, but if you look underneath, my nail is pretty much that length, but the tip of it broke off like 3 times. I glued it back on and glued it back on and glued it back on. Yeah, this is where we're at. I know I want my thumb to be this dark polish. This is 9004. I do like the wide brush. I'm just gonna do dark, maybe just on the thumb and pinky. Oh boy. But now I think I'm gonna do this shade, which is 9019. Then we're gonna use this lightest shade. This is 9304. I also am just now saying that this literally says for professional use only. I'm a professional, so it's fine. I guess we're kind of doing like an ombre thing here. The next step is gonna be airbrush. I have this Savvyland gel nail polish that's airbrush specifically. Okay. Now we have like an aura nail. That's kind of what I was going for. Hey, cute. So the next thing is going to be using my stamping plates. These are 2 new ones that I bought. This one is Maniology's M584. It has a bunch of flowers on it. Super pretty. This one also has a bunch of flowers on it. It is Maniology M659. I am super excited about both of these. The first thing I want to do is I want to do a single flower in the middle of this like aura nail. I have gotten a lot better at this. I have found that doing my nails is so much easier if I have a paper towel down. I am gonna fill it in a little bit, but I feel like that worked how I wanted it to. Now it kind of looks like it was airbrushed around it, you know? I did redo the thumb and pinky. I'm thinking this one. That is so cute. Then you just gotta clean her up. That's actually so cute. Oh my gosh! It's so exciting every time. Not even gonna lie, I almost kind of just wish I would have done this on like every nail because I'm obsessed with it. Since I have some white in here, I could work white into this and I could do like a dark flower pattern with like a white flower in the middle maybe. I'm gonna actually do white like flower background and then a dark flower on top because I really do kind of like the dark flowers. Like I said, I'm already regretting. I wish I would have just done this flower pattern on all of my nails. Oh, that turned out amazing. See, and this is why you should use Maniology's nail polish because that looks a million times better than the other one. I'm going to go do my top coats and stuff and we'll be back. Okay, so my nails are done. I did redo the thumb and pinky because on this hand I tested this out doing like just regular green with white flowers and I love it so much more. So my favorite part of doing my nails is adding some nail oil. So what do we think? And what do we think about this like video style? I'm really curious to hear your thoughts and opinions on like this kind of video style. Yeah. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was a little bit of fun. If you want to see more videos like this, then please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'd greatly appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!